raw vegan pizza. So here's my food processor. You could probably do this in a blender as well. I've got 2 Roma tomatoes, 2 tiny garlics, and about 4 dates, pitted dates. And then I've got, I don't know, about a tablespoon or so of sun-dried tomato. Now I'm not making a ton of this, so that's why it's a smaller recipe, because we only have 1 large pizza crust to do. And I've got some basil and some oregano and a pinch of salt. So let's get started. So let's just chop up tomatoes, make it easy for the food processor. Can't wait to have tomatoes out of my garden. That'll be even better. But my favorite tomatoes to use, I gotta say, for a lot of things, is Roma tomatoes. I don't know, I just find them the right sweetness and tartness. And yeah, I love them in salads and all kinds of stuff. Okay, so we'll pop these in there. Just basically, that's all you do. And I'd say, I kind of wing it, but like a teaspoon of the spices should be enough. But we can taste it after just to make sure. I love the oregano because that's definitely what makes it a pizza. And a pinch of Himalayan salt. And of course you can leave out the salt, not a problem. So what my plan is to do this for my base of the pizza, and then I'll do like an avocado drizzle on top when you're about to serve the pizza. Because I'm going to be doing, I'm going to use up my raw vegan burgers and crumble them up and put those on the pizza. So it's kind of going to be like a burger pizza. I don't know how to explain. So, so let's blend. You don't even have to add water to this. More than enough. Let me just grab my spatula. Be right back. Let's take a look at the sauce. Now you could make it spicy too and add some spice to it. So that's the sauce there.